Amphibious Indonesia. Introducing AI02-8SHSL 8-ton super long-arm amphibious excavator. Engineered for challenging dredging and water management operations. Designed for areas where standard excavators cannot operate. The AI02-8SHSL delivers reach, stability, and efficiency in shallow water environments. Its super long-arm configuration provides extended working radius, ideal for canal deepening, sediment removal, and aquatic vegetation control. Each AI02-8SHSL is manufactured using high-accuracy processes and strict ISO-certified quality control. Every unit undergoes structural inspection, welding verification, pressure testing, flotation checks, and performance calibration. These procedures ensure durability, reliability, and consistent performance in real working environments. The unit features a hydraulic pontoon adjustment system, allowing width changes to improve stability and maneuverability when needed. Equipped with a hydraulic extend and retract pontoon system, allowing the pontoons to widen and narrow as required. This system improves maneuverability in tight urban canals and enhances balance in wider or deeper water areas. The dual hydraulic spud system provides powerful vertical anchoring, maintaining the machine's stability during dredging operations. Its super long arm provides exceptional reach for efficient sediment removal and canal rehabilitation. This makes it a strategic solution for revitalizing rivers, retention basins, flood control channels, and city drainage systems. The model is widely used across Indonesia, including operations supporting Jakarta's waterway management. Its performance strengthens government programs aimed at reducing sedimentation and improving water flow. Amphibious Indonesia provides complete operator training, covering operational safety, equipment handling, and maintenance routines. Training ensures operators fully maximize the machine's capabilities while maintaining productivity and safety in the field. Before handover, customers receive detailed documentation, test reports, and operational guidelines. Each unit is delivered with complete certification to ensure transparency and customer confidence. The AI02-8SHSL is built for long-term value, supported by strong after-sales service and readily available spare parts. With a proven track record across Indonesia, it continues to support national water management and dredging missions. From canal rehabilitation to flood mitigation, the AI02-8SHSL consistently delivers outstanding performance. Built with Indonesian expertise and designed for Indonesia's terrain, it is ready to support sustainable water infrastructure development. This is AI02-8SHSL engineered to perform, built to endure, and trusted to deliver results. Amphibious Indonesia, your dredging solution.